Hey, welcome back. We got another episode today. We're going to take a look at a 1977 Kawasaki Invader. 1978 Kawasaki Invader. Here's the owner here. And I guess we're going to do a seal kit for it. It actually runs as is currently, but this beauty has all kinds of features, including Star Wars signature hood. Yeah. With pop-up headlight. Can't go wrong with that. She's a beauty. So we're going to go ahead and throw a new seal kit on her. She sometimes loses power in the upper elevation and stuff, so we're going to go ahead and take a look at getting this motor out of here. That's kind of tonight's project. And then go from there. As you can see, this particular sled is water cooled with a radiator and heat exchangers. I've never actually seen a sled that does both. A little different. Pretty good shape for 40 years old. Thank you. Beauty. So yeah, we're going to pull the motor out and get it onto the bench and start tearing her down. Alright, so a little update here. We've pulled the exhaust off and we've started draining the coolant. This sled has a coolant plug right here. And I think it's the lowest point on the motor, so hopefully get as much out of it as we can before we pull this thing off here. So now we'll start unbuttoning some of the rest of it and get this motor out of here. Alright, it's another day. We had to get a clutch puller to be able to get this thing off of here. So we have the clutch ready to go with the puller in it, and we got some water boiling to see if we can't help this thing come off of here. So hopefully we'll capture that on film. How cold is that thing? Cool down? Nope. I'm bad aim.
Kind of not knowing if we loosened it, should we tighten it again?
Sure.
Yeah, I wouldn't have been able to do that if we hadn't loosened it. I'm gonna hurt myself. Oh yeah, there it is. That was that.
Cool.
Clutch be gone.
That is awesome. Okay. So that's a way to pull a clutch on a 1927
Kawasaki Invader.
Japanese Invader. Hold that prize up like you just won a trophy.
Yay!
All right, well, now that that's off there, we can go ahead and start removing the actual engine. It's only been a week, so we should make some progress now. So now that we got the clutch off, we got to go ahead and get this motor mount seal slash protector deal off of the side here so we can pull this thing through. I assume, anyways, maybe it doesn't need to come off, but I'm not gonna find out. I'm just gonna take it off there. It's got like 4 bolts that hold it on. They're kind of stubborn and really stuck on there. But we already got the carbs removed from the boots, and we'll start removing the radiator. Then we'll get these off of here. But they are kind of stuck on there when you first go to pop them loose. Anyways, get these off of there and then update you guys in a bit. Alrighty, so we got the bolts out of this thing. Just pop this off. Oh, it is a motor mount slash. Oh no, it's not a seal. It probably just protects from snow going in there. There's the actual steel. Okie dokie. So there's that. Looks like the motor will be held on just by the one side. Just right there. So, finish getting this stuff off of there and get the motor up. Well, there she is. She's on the floor. It's not very big. It's a tiny little fella. Here's the engine bay. We'll clean her up pretty good before we put it back in there. And I think we'll call this video there and we'll update you guys later.